Welcome to Auto Flair Words. Today we're taking a nostalgic yet exciting look at the legendary 2025 Citroen DS21, a modern tribute to one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. The original DS was known for its futuristic design and innovative technology, and now the 2025 version brings that same revolutionary spirit into the modern era with advanced engineering and sleek design updates that perfectly blend heritage with innovation. The first thing that grabs attention is the retro-futuristic design. The smooth sculpted lines inspired by the original DS are now redefined with sharp LED matrix headlights, a bold front grille, and a floating roof design that adds a unique visual flair. Citroen has embraced elegance and sophistication while ensuring aerodynamic efficiency for better performance and fuel economy. Inside, the cabin, luxury and comfort dominate every inch. The interior is wrapped in premium eco-leather and sustainable materials, making it both elegant and environmentally responsible. Ambient lighting runs throughout the dashboard and door panels, creating a serene atmosphere during night drives. The redesigned seats offer superior lumbar support and multiple massage settings, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The panoramic glass roof brings in natural light, giving the interior a spacious, airy feel. The digital cockpit features a high-resolution curved display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system. It is fully customizable and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control powered by AI understands natural commands, making the user experience seamless and intuitive. A built-in head-up display projects key driving information directly onto the windshield, minimizing distraction. Under the hood, the 2025 DS21 is powered by a turbocharged hybrid engine, delivering both efficiency and power. It offers a smooth, responsive ride with its adaptive suspension system inspired by the original hydropneumatic suspension technology. This advanced system continuously adjusts to road conditions, giving a magic carpet-like ride that the DS has always been famous for. Citroen has also packed the DS21 with advanced safety features, including lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. It also features a semi-autonomous driving mode, perfect for stress-free highway travel. In terms of connectivity, the DS21 is future-ready. With 5G integration, over-the-air updates, remote vehicle monitoring, and a companion app, you're always connected to your car. You can check battery levels, precondition the cabin, or locate your vehicle all from your smartphone. The 2025 Citroen DS21 is a rare combination of heritage, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or a tech lover, this car brings the best of both worlds to the modern road. Thanks for watching Auto Flair Words, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unique car stories.